Hey guys, we're just at the border here at Duty Free. My friend had to get some gin because she's a big European alcoholic. But yeah, we're just gonna cross over to the border in Grand Forks, and then we're gonna head over to Minneapolis. We're at Trader Joe's. We've been here for 5 minutes, and my friend has like a cart full of things already. She's like obsessed with Trader Joe's.
Sorry, I'm just like coughing and teeth now. Oh my god, pumpkin chips. I need to pass the shopping cart now.
So I think I want to try these. They're like peanut butter filled pretzels. And only like $2. That's like super cheap. But this would be about like $5 in Winnipeg. I don't know, I just kind of want to try them out. What's the calories like? 140 for 11 pieces. That's not bad at all. I have a lot of like really nice snacks here.
A cauliflower gnocchi.
I think I want this spinach lasagna.
Look at that spinach cheese stuffed shells. Too,
Ooh, yum. This looks good too. Oh, I thought you were just a stranger. I'm like, who's this gonna talk to me?
I know, right? I was like, uh-oh. I thought somebody who works here saying go vlog or something.
Cauliflower pizza crust. Hey guys, we are in Minneapolis, or close to Minneapolis, close to Egan. Just coming from, you can't really see it, from Trader Joe's. I got like a bunch of spices, a bunch of like pumpkin spice stuff, because we don't have a Trader Joe's in Canada. So I was thinking of like, because it's on the way to the hotel, buying some like food and stuff and like prepackaged things, and then selling it online, like in the Canadian Facebook buy and sell groups, because apparently they sell like really, really well. There's people who, you know, pay for that kind of stuff because they don't ever come here, and you know, sometimes people want to pay for things that they don't or can't get. And yeah, so I'm gonna like take pictures of it in the hotel, post it while I'm still here. If it sells, then I'm gonna buy more on the way back out of Minneapolis, because I'm just a hustler that way.
Before. Okay, you too.
And you're cute.
Thanks.
What do you say? What do you say?
He's like, thanks, have a good weekend.
No, I thought you said something about Canada.
Oh no, he's like, Canada's always nice.
Oh, of course we're nice. And we're kinky too. Oh my god, there's like such cute guys. By the elevator. Anyway, okay. So this is where we are. We're at the Spring Hill Suites. There's a sofa bed here. I lost the draw, so I get the sofa bed. But I do get my own TV. There's a desk over there. Beds. Hi. And in the bathroom. It's pretty basic but cute. And yeah. Here is the Spring Hill Suites. Wait, can you come here first? Just take a video of me in front of here. Why can't you be across the street?
You want me to cross the street?
Yeah, right over there.
Jeez Louise. Here. Am I recording or photoing?
Record.
Okay. I'm really crossing the street?
No, right there. Go right there.
Oh, right here?
Right here.
Oh, it's like... All right. Can barely see you because it's dark.
Can you press it? Maybe you can see me. You can press
I am. Go.
Okay.
Out of 10.
I'll screen cap something. Okay, so it's recording now. Don't touch anything.
Okay.
Just point is your job.
My shoulder is so itchy. Oh my god.
The life of a vlogger.
So itchy.
It's actually a nice area. So here is the Spring Hill Suites Marriott in Egan, Minnesota, which is like really close to Bloomington, which is really close to all of America, which is really close to the outlet mall. Not ghetto like our other hotel.
You have a card because I don't.
You didn't. You brought it with you.
No, I didn't. It's sitting on the table.
No, you brought it.
No, it's sitting on the table.
Oh, yeah, I have my card.
Okay.
When I open this, like the hot dogs are just standing there. And right here is our room 222. Stop masturbating and open.
Right there. My car's sitting right here. Okay, so you got work from the car. There's one downstairs. If you want water, or there's a water bottle. Downstairs is free water bottle. Oh, yeah.
Fancy.
I know.
Oh.
It was in my bag.
It was in the
Whatever you want to call it.
So what time are we gonna leave in the morning?
I'm not leaving at 8 in the morning. I'm sorry. I don't need to shop for 12 hours. Why do we have two TVs in here?
Yes. Oh yeah.
We do.
Well, depends what things are open at anyway.
Okay.
I think things open at like 10.
Do you want to sleep in? Then come back.
No, it's not. Because when you really consider, you sometimes drive that in traffic to go to. I swear to God, in my natural deodorant.
My $13 salad, and that was her more delicious looking $1.50 salad. Okay, wait.
Try my tofu. Seriously? Try it.
I wonder where's the ice machine.
Mmm.
Honey, garlic, ginger.
Oh, that tastes really good.
Mm-hmm.
Get away with killing.
6:50 a.m. and we're gonna do some working out, even though, well, we're not technically on vacation, we're on a workation. And yeah, let's do some working out.
I'm gonna try this menthol thing. Oh, I miss menthol. It's banned in Canada.
Arrived.
Here are so much nicer than the ones in Winnipeg. Danke. That's kind of cute. Little fossil, $5. Ralph Lauren. What is this, Adrian? Is Pandora? No. It's cute. It reminds me of Pandora. Moschino? No way. This is not Moschino. What the? Oh, okay, it's Massimo. It's cute though. Beach day. It's an ice patch. That's kind of cute. Game Boy. Wilson's leather. What this is. It says 9 West. Liz Claiborne. They actually have a rug here, and it's only $2.99. That's a deal. Excuse me. That's kind of cute. I wonder where their bags are, though.
You can try here. Try it here.
She found a Clear Sonic brand new for $6.
Not brand new, but I mean
with everything I
with
need.
everything on it.
How
How do you charge this thing?
You just put this on there.
Yeah.
That's a Clear Sonic one.
Oh, okay.
I found lug
Oh, cute.
and Victoria's Secret 99 cents.
Cute.
I'm not gonna deny, but I'm actually kind of jealous that Nancy found that because I'm a big Clear Sonic whore. So I am kind of like jealous.
How do you know it? Does light up or what?
Yeah, like for Christmas. So many cool. I'm jealous that Nancy got that. I want to be happy for her, but I'm kind of jealous. Only because like I'm a big skincare whore. Let's go look at the bags. See, they have this Vera Bradley, but I don't know. Vera Bradley doesn't really sell from. Oh, I've never actually tried to, but I don't know. I just don't feel like it's a big seller. Is this Kipling? No, it's not. Mickey Mouse. Okay, let's look at the handbags. What brand is this? This is Moda Mexico. Nine West. They have really good bag lines. Wonder if they have like a showcase or something. So here's like this jacket, Bernardo, exclusively for Nordstrom, but I don't know, made in Italy. I think made in China. Questionable. Columbia, $10. Probably find some Cat Goose, maybe some Macage. Made in USA. So this is $14.99 for this Columbia, and it's really nice actually, but I don't know if that will sell for me.
No, I only have these weird coins now. When did you guys start getting coins?
Hey guys, so we're just coming from the Goodwill in Egan. I bought a couple of things. I'll show you guys in a haul, but yeah, on to the next store.